Could see that before. Wow, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What a good job they did. Now the table games float right into the table games that were in the middle. They're still in the middle, but it used to look like the end. And now the village pub have seating back. No more slot room over here. I really liked that slot room, though, to tell you the truth. It really was cool. Yeah, it's back to being just a restaurant. Can't see them cook the food anymore. I was hoping they still had that. I guess they got bothered by that. Looks like we might still have one little area to finish here. Something behind that wall. Can't imagine what that would be, because right behind that wall is the restaurant. And it's complete. Maybe just that wall will be different. Did they get rid of their high limit room that was right here? Yeah, they did. Okay, it was kind of a joke. So it's good that they got rid of it. Wonder where you can buy that wallpaper. Well, not the Ellis Island part, but just the Vegas. That's pretty cool. We got all the restaurants back. Metro Pizza's down there operating. I don't know if this was the same place that was here before or not. I don't remember that name. Pastrami sandwich, $14. Muffalata, $14. Ooh, can they make a muffalata? You know, muffalata, you're dripping down your shirt with olive oil. Real olive oil. I mean, from olives, not just from the oil. Yep, that's Metro Pizza. by the slice. $3.75. Beautiful pizza. It's fantastic pizza. $5 is the most expensive slice of pizza. Now, it's not a huge slice, but it is a good deal. Evidently, they don't do the Thursday 2-for-1 anymore. Or otherwise, they've had that big sign there.